How to reset Honda Civic service reminder overdue life light. Watch the full video. To reset the Honda Civic service life light, first turn the ignition switch to the on position. If the car door is open, turn it off. When the service light comes on for maintenance, it usually means you need to change your car's oil and oil filter. Service overdue life light reset. Click the I button on the first steering wheel. You will see an image like this, then click on the I button again. Scroll buttons will be used for up, down, right, left. Scroll left or right to find image wrench. See wrench images like this. After scrolling left you will see wrench image and press enter button. When you see the engine oil light image, press and hold the enter button for 10 to 15 seconds. Now release the enter button. Scroll down and find reset text. When you see the reset text, press and hold the enter button again for some time. After confirming the reset, release the press on the enter button. Service overdue life light reset. 10,000 km of vehicle. Inshallah. Thank you for watching the full video.